Clearing all blinkings. Method 1. No obstructions. Step 1. Clear the protective field of obstructions. Step 2. Turn the key switch to program and press the function button 3 times.
1, 2,
3. Step 3. Turn the key switch to run. All blinkings are now cleared. Clearing all blinkings. Method 2. Obstructed. Step 1. Turn the key switch to program and press the function button 3 times.
1, 2,
3. Step 2. Press and hold the function button. After 3 seconds, the solid yellow LED on the detector will start blinking. Step 3. While continuing to hold the function button, turn the key switch to run to clear all blinking configurations. All blinking configurations are then deleted, and the protective field is back to its default state. See how the objects are no longer blinked. If you have any more questions, please call us at 1-800-586-8324, option 2.